We recommend that you lift your operated leg onto the bed last when getting into bed. The following video clip demonstrates getting on and off a bed following a left total hip replacement. Step backwards towards the middle of the bed, placing your crutches within easy reach. Take a small step forwards with your operated leg and reach back with your arms to sit on the edge of the bed. Using your arms behind you, bring your bottom backwards towards the middle of the bed and bring your legs up onto the bed with the operated leg last and turning your body at the same time. Take care not to allow your operated leg to twist, bend or cross your midline. Once your legs are supported on the mattress, move into the middle of the bed and place a pillow between your legs.